Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia anima espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a good tune-up, replacing the gaskets that you see right here from the brew unit, deep cleaning the entire brew unit, removing all that old coffee from the entire case, and just give it a good clean and descale of the machine. We also deep cleaned the spouts as one of them size was closed up, and that's basically what we did. Oh yeah, we replaced the brew bag inside the machine as well. So start a moving shot of espresso. We're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be using the steam and then the hot water. Pre-infusion. And extraction. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color as well. And 1.5 ounces as the customer has it programmed. Nice crema as well. Water tank sensor working as it should. And now we can test the hot water first and then the steam. For the hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream. Coming out of the spout, excellent temperature, working great. And now we're gonna test the steam. Now for the steam, the thermal block needs to reach that temperature. Once this temperature is reached, the water pump will start pulsating inside the thermal block, and this valve over here will open up and a bunch of steam will come out through here. But first it needs to get up to pressure. So what's going up, and as you can see, boom, bunch of steam coming out through here. Nice temperature, excellent pressure, working excellent. So there you have it, Gaggia Anima working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for new content every day. And thanks for watching.